Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, hello. Just to wait for a viewer, one viewer at least. Hi. Ooh, ayaw. Sige, para ma-share natin ito. I'll just share my page. Ooh, yan. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Here in Anyo, California. Share now. There you go. Okay, hi, hello everyone. Good afternoon. I'm here in Anyo, California, and yes, time check muna tayo. Today is 2:32 in the afternoon here in California, and we have a very nice weather today. Warm. Tapos hindi malamig, hindi mainit, kaya magandang tumambay sa labas, and I'm here in my backyard. Diba? So, okay. So, yes, hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, all over the world and wherever you are right now. And we are live. So, yes, I'm here again on our 33rd day of our 90 Days Success Challenge. And for today's topic, today is a Friday. Wow. So, weekend na, kaya ang saya-saya, parang kailan lang ang Monday. And today is Friday. Weekend na naman. Aba, nahuli ako ni Zap. So, yes, so today's topic, DIY, do it on your own. Or freestyle daw. Kasi parang napansin namin na kahapon when I'm discussing the our topic yesterday, it's about ano pong topic kagabi? Time management. And looks like when I'm saying something, looks like I discussed this yesterday or I talked about this yesterday. So that's why ngayon napag-isipan nilang freestyle daw, mag-isip na kung anong topic, and I'm thinking kung anong magandang topic ngayon kung anong magandang pag-usapan. So, but anyway, total total lang nangyayari sa 90 Days Ago Success Challenge is to be comfortable with yourself, to be, to come out from your comfort zone. So, anything will do. Tingnan natin kung makakapag-isip ituro sa atin ng 90 Days Success Challenge na to di ba? So, parang ang naisipan ko, ano nga bang naisipan ko? May ano ba kayo suggestion? Ako, ang naisip ko parang magandang topic today is, kasi, yes, I just want to congratulate one of our business partners who were able to reach the biggest milestone dito sa business. And yes, she made it for 23 for almost 3 years. Yes, congratulations, Sis Aranet, for hitting that great milestone. And I was able to see your post yesterday, and I was thinking also that looks like it's a good topic to share, right? So the topic will be like yung parang yung pinost niya is come to think of yourself 2 years ago or few years ago, di ba? Parang it's a time of reflection. Pag-isipan mo kung ano ang naging katayuan mo, or ano nga bang itsura ng sarili mo 2-3 years ago or 1 year ago, kahit na sabihin natin 1 year ago, di ba? Kasi sa akin, there's a big change talaga. And it's a good thing that may mga ganitong time na nagre-reflect ka. Sa bagay, sa akin naman is every year I'm making a reflection or parang recollection. May time na ganun na or every vacation, parang dun yung time na nag-iisip ako kung ano ba yung mga naging accomplishment ko for the past year. Yan, ganyan lagi yung nasa isip ko. Ano nga ba ang naging accomplishment ko this past year? Kung ano nga ba ang nangyari? May pagbabago ba? Or parehas ba? 'Di ba? Kasi kung parehas yan na paulit-ulit yung nangyayari sa buhay mo, then if it's a good thing, it's good. Pero kapag nagiging stagnant ka na or nagsteady ka lang doon sa kung saan ka nakatayo on that day, on that time, on that situation, same situation as before, then you might think na may babaguhin ka, parang ganon, or may dapat kang gawin para mag-iba yung takbo ng buhay mo, parang ganon. Yung sa akin naman is parang mostly accomplishment kasi yung laging iniisip ko is yung yung age talaga kasi 'di ba, hindi naman natin maiwasan talaga na magbibilang tayo sa mundong ito kung ilang taon na lang tayo dito. And that is my fear na mawawala ako sa mundong ito na hindi ko pa nagawa ang gusto kong gawin. So, it's just like a good topic to discuss for this day. To think of yourself a year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago. So, maganda talagang reflection yun. Para makita mo kung nag improve ka ba bilang isang tao, nag improve ka ba bilang isang kaibigan, nag improve ka ba bilang isang anak, hi sis Jeans, or nag improve ka ba bilang isang magulang, di ba? So, parang doon ako natamaan nung napanood ko yung pinost ni Sis Araneth na yun. And, and hi Jeans, nakahabol so yun yung parang magandang gawin or magandang i-share na sometimes you have to have time to reflect or recollect sa sarili mo na kung ano nga ba ang mga nagawa mo or ano nga ba ang naging katayuan mo or ano nga ba ang mga naging accomplishments mo the past year or few years or past 3 years, mga ganyan, to see if you're really improving or nagiging productive ba ang buhay mo at saka kung nagagawa mo bang abutin ang mga gusto mong abutin bago ka wala sa mundong ito, 'di ba? At saka kung yung gusto mong natulungan mo ba? Ganun ba? So, because if not, if hindi ka pa nag-improve or naging productive or naging stagnant ka nung taon na yon, then you might like to do something na para baguhin ang takbo ng buhay mo para sa mas maganda, 'di ba? Kasi hindi mo alam, life is inevitable. You really don't know what life may bring, kung ano ang mangyayari bukas, the next week, the next month, ganun. So that's a good question to discuss or to contemplate on while we're not doing something, o 'di ba? Kasi kung ganun nga, edi we will find ways, and there are so many solutions out there that would help you. Like for me, I was able to reflect ano nga bang naging katayuan ng buhay ko the last year, the past 2 years, the past 3 years, yan. So, parang tinitingnan ko talaga, like, for example, nung pumunta ako dito sa Amerika, and hindi ko namamalayan na ilang taon na pala, and dahil sa katatrabaho, parang hindi mo na naisipan na, bumili ng bahay, parang late na na nakabili ng bahay. But they said dito sa Amerika, it's still early to get a house. Yung parang may napupuntahan yung pera mo, kumbaga, or may napupuntahan yung mga investment mo, yung mga pinaghihirapan mo, mga ganyan. So yan yung isa kong tinitingnan. That's why I'm making sure na every year I'll make it to a point na there is a small, very small accomplishment or very small very small na nangyari, na naging productive ka, na may napuntahan at least yung konting kita mo for the past year, yung ganon. So, and for me, reflecting on last year, wala naman akong investment or but I was able to find a business So kasi nakita ko, yun nga, yung parang naramdaman ko na bakit paulit-ulit na lang yung hirap sa pagiging nurse, na kahit na malaki ang sahod mo, why is it still not enough, or why it's still parang kulang pa rin, di ba? Kahit na gusto mong tumulong sa ibang tao, kasi hindi naman porket malaki ang sahod mo, malaki din yung makukuha mo. Hindi po. Especially that we are here in California, sabi nila mataas yung tax, mataas yung cost of living. But you were able to manage back, kumbaga. So, so that's a good thing to go contemplate. And I was able to, yes, find a solution na dahil napapagod na ako sa parang takbo ng parang pare-parehas na lang yung takbo ng cycle ng buhay. I was able to find this business and I was able to start it on parang another investment, and it's a good investment though, because it really takes care of your health and building your wealth as well. So that's a good thing. So kayo, ano bang magandang pag-usapan pa? Parang wala akong naiisip eh. But that's the thing that I want to share for today. It's something that you can contemplate or share or think while thinking of something, or while not doing anything. It's really good to contemplate or think of those things too. So parang yun lang yung naiisip ko ngayon. Ano ba? And yes, today is Friday. It will be weekend tomorrow, so just enjoy the weekend for the whole week, and to reboost or to boost again, to refresh again ourselves for next week's activities. Marami na namang mangyayari for the next week. So, ano bang magandang pag-usapan? Parang wala na ako naiisip at yun lang. And thank you nga pala for coming in, Gina and Zapra. Nahuli nyo ako sa aking live. And I know that everyone is doing their live right now because this is a group activity or a team's activity where we do this 90 days success challenge, and where we challenge ourselves. where we challenge ourselves and then reflect after this 90 days success challenge, and then see if maganda yung epekto sa amin. So, yun lang po. So, have a good day and have a good week to everyone. And thank you. And thank you for watching, and thank you for coming into my live, and have a blessed Friday, and hope to see you tomorrow on Saturday on our 34th week. Tingnan natin kung ano na naman ang magiging topic natin for tomorrow. Yes, it's very, very helpful na sabi ni Gina na challenge, and I can see that it's really changing it's really changing my personality and my I'm having this personal growth as well, di ba? So ngayon parang nagiging komportable nang lumalabas sa nagiging yung way of thinking. It's getting better and better every day. So that's a good thing that we have to catch up every day and do this 90 days success challenge. Thank you, John Kenneth, for coming into my live. You're very busy, buti gising ka. I think time for you to sleep too and get some rest. Hi! So, yes, so that is what I want to share. Ikaw, baka may ma-share ka about thinking of who you are or how you are a year ago, 2 years ago, or 3 years ago. O, diba? Oh my gosh, sing a song. Zap, parang wrong timing naman yung sing a song. Diba? So, parang yun lang yung naisip ko na magandang topic ngayon. Kasi, I don't know, why I got night shift din, LOL, sabi ni John Kenneth. Kasi they have a baby, that is why they're very, very busy right now, and very, nagiging, night shift din sila, diba? Because of the baby. And so yun lang ang gusto kong i-share, kasi ewan ko bakit ako nakaano ngayong week about sa reflection, about sa reflection or contemplate or recollection about sa life. Maybe it's because we are talking about time management, and time management is we are really like putting putting time and effort on everything that we do right now, because we know that time has a beginning and has an end. Kaya parang iniisip natin na dapat may magawa tayo, 'di ba? Hi Rachel, thank you so much for coming in, and I will be watching your Go Live for today. Hopefully mahuli din kita dahil I want to hear your stories. so so ako parang parang wala pa akong maisip na mga stories ngayon about time management eh. And that's it. If you've watched The Beauty and the Beast, then I think that's a better one to watch about time management. Hi! So yun lang po. Have a good day and have a blessed Saturday, everyone. It's just a short live because it's a freestyle, sabi nila eh. Wala akong maisip kung ano eh. So that's the one that I was came to think of the topic. Oh. Ay, may naka-ready ng story. Okay, sige, Sis Rachel. I will watch on that one. Thank you so much for coming in, and see you in your live. I will catch you. Bye! And see you tomorrow for our 34th topic for our 90 Days Success Challenge. And thank you so much. Thank you, everyone, and have a blessed day. Have a blessed Friday, and enjoy the weekend ahead. And try to refresh and reboost yourselves for the week to prepare for next week's activities. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.